Alright guys, so I'm gonna start this install video. Hi, how you doing? This is Russ with Russ's Suburban Adventures, and this is my new light setup. I've got 25-inch 2-layer LED and two 7-inch 2-layer LEDs. We're gonna go ahead and hook those up on my bike and get some more light while I'm riding. You guys said that I do a shitload of night riding, and you're right, I do. You wanted to see more light. What I'm gonna do first is get these things mounted to the various places they're going, and then I'm gonna worry about sticking with the wiring. So what I've decided to do, there are these pretty good mounting holes right here, and the light bar I've selected has an adjustable base, so I can loosen these screws. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time to go test out the light bars. Good and dark tonight. It's all overcast, cloudy and stuff, so this is a good night for it. I'm gonna push the wheeler out nice and quiet. I don't want to wake up the chitrins. Alright, I'm gonna go see if I can find a nice dark spot. Thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. All my lights are off. Okay, so headlights, high beams, light bar, rock lights. That's a lot of fucking light right there. Alright, so let's just do rock lights, just do light bar. Alright, so let's spin this thing around and snap some pictures for the gram right quick. Jesus Christ, that's a shitload of light. It's like all of a sudden fucking daylight. Oh, hey, buddy. Tiny little bird. Excuse me. Let me get out of your area. My bad, homie. can't see me, can't complain about me. At least that's the theory. Definitely bright as fuck.